Whip that side of my hair, okay.
Trying to figure out if I want to have the shoulder control.
Yours, mine, girl, this camera and this wing. Welcome back, Amani Angels. We are so glad that you're here with us today, and we are super excited to let you know the latest news and what we're about to work on.
Yes, I'm so excited. It is March, so that means it's time for the Goddess Collection.
Yes. The Goddess Collection is basically all of Ashanti's thought process, all of her emotions and feelings, and she brings this collection out for her birthday. I'm so happy for it.
Yeah, and I'm honored that you're going to do this with me.
And I'm honored that you're still doing your Goddess Collection and telling me your vision so I can bring your vision to the people. And listen, if you guys have not seen the Goddess Collections in the past, be sure to look at our playlist for the Goddess Collection, guys. We're going to give some insights, some behind the scenes, let you just see the whole process, just as we're about to do today. We are so happy for this, the Goddess Collection 3. Well, that's a 6, but Goddess Collection 3. You ready to tell me what you want this year for Goddess Collection?
Yes, I'm ready. So, can I look at my notes?
You can. And I'm going to write some notes too.
Okay. I'm inspired to do something in honor of my grandmother again, Grandma Betty, but I don't want it to come across like it's always going to be about, like, I guess, tribute. I don't know if that's a good thing, like, it's in, because people dedicate stuff to people all the time.
Right.
I don't really know if it's something that should be said or...
Well, what if this time you spend it as a tribute to generations? Not so much in memory of, but that these are generations that are going to continue. So the generations are not stopping with your grandparents. They're going to continue. That's fine. We can actually do... Hey, baby. Hey, baby, in the office. Yes, I think a trio would be great. And if you don't mind, I think we should name it Generations.
I like that.
And then have it in a trio because you're actually, from your grandmothers, you're the 3rd generation. So if you like Generations as the name of the collection, and then it's going to come in a trio set of 3, I love it.
I'm down for it. And I'm telling you, I have been battling those feelings of, like, it seems kind of sad, but it doesn't have to be because it's supposed to make, you know, uplifting. And like you said, it's symbolizing.
Right. This can be a happy tribute, not a sad tribute.
Right. Oh, I'm so excited.
Me too. You like Generations for real?
I do.
You sure?
Yeah.
Okay.
So another thing, I feel like I kind of want it to be kind of beachy looking, if that makes sense.
So bright, vibrant colors. Once I go and look at some beads, because y'all know I'm going to have to, after this consultation, I'm going to go bead shopping. So maybe after I choose some beads, I can shoot you some pictures of them. You decide on which ones you want. Y'all stay tuned for the rest of Goddess Collection 2023. So we definitely decided on some colors that really went well together. We have a turquoise as well as a really, really light, beautiful shade of green. I don't know, it's not emerald, but it's a really, really pretty light green. We decided to go with those colors and put them together. We have them on elastic. That way you can remove them easily. You can also, of course, wear these as a necklace, and they're just really, really beautiful, shimmering in the sunlight. And so you can definitely keep all three for yourself. You can gift one, gift another one to someone that you know who may like, elastic waist beads. These are very, very versatile, very easy to slip on and remove. They have beautiful charms. They just glisten in the sunlight, and we are so happy about this new collection called Generations.
2023, and we have a new Goddess collection. I'm so happy. I know y'all remember last year's we had Gem and Charm, but this reinvention is just, I think this is my favorite so far.
If you missed any of the Goddess collections in the past, please feel free to look at our Goddess collection playlist, and you'll get to see behind the scenes. You'll get to see the whole entire process of the consultation and what it all, what it takes in prepping and preparing, being intentional with the Goddess collection, and bringing that to light and bringing that to you. The Goddess collection is for a limited time, so contact us by DM or email.